Oof. Oof. Well, hello. Welcome back. It's Saturday, which means we're working on the Grom. When I put this stuff on, I put in a different shifter, which got rid of all this linkage stuff that was going on with the stock shifter. Which in my mind, I was like, cool, there's so much slop in this, that's gonna make it feel so much better. What ended up happening, which I guess probably could have been foreseen, I'm sure, but when you make a big movement on your long lever, it actually ends up being a fairly small movement on your shift shaft. The tolerance between like first, second, and neutral is pretty small, which means it is ridiculously hard to find neutral with an aftermarket shifter on this. So, what I got is a Chimera shift shaft support. It's basically a bearing that bolts onto your engine case with some spacers, and it's supposed to help. I don't know if it'll help or not, but I do feel a little bit better about how much shaft is actually exposed here if there's another support on it. So, and a little bit of engine bling never hurts anybody. So we're gonna slap this on. It is literally 3 bolts and should take like all of 5 minutes. So let's get this. I have the nut holding on the shift lever. Pull that out. I did mark on here and on the dimple on the shaft, so I know where it was at before, so I don't have to put it on and off 3 times. There are 2 engine case bolts that we're going to take off. These are all 8mm heads, 8mm socket. These did have a little bit of looks like a little bit of Loctite on them to begin with from the factory, which is fine, I guess. Not really notable, and I don't know why I said it, maybe. Oh man, there's like 1 thread left in there, come on. Okay, take those out. Here, rip open our package, which is very nicely packaged. They like heat sealed it in between to keep them from scratching each other, and a little sticker. Okay. So, in theory, this goes so you can see the Chimera. Just a little bit of a hose out of the way. Ah, bling bling. Okay, pull out our spacers. Before I do that, try to put just a little bit of Loctite on there. I've said it before, and I'll keep saying it, this glue stick Loctite is the bee's knees. I love it. Shifter off. We have the Chimera logo facing towards the front. Bearing is in there. Slide that on. The long arm goes to the front. And there's a little hose you gotta just push out of the way. Not hose, wire, whatever. Take the bolt for the back. And with this all the way forward, slide that back spacer, get that sort of in place, and then start your bolt in there. If you don't do it, the back bolt first, you aren't going to be able to get that back one in without taking off your side pegs, which I don't want to do. So, oh no, I dropped it. From there, let's get the front one in. Okay, I'm gonna get them finger tight. Okay, and these body bolts, or not body bolts, wow, that's the wrong size. I'm struggling today. Okay, you should be tightening these to 9 foot-pounds, but fuck, shit. Might be able to get in there. Okay, after hunting around for many minutes, 5mm ball end socket, 1/4 inch torque wrench, 108 inch-pounds, which is about 9 foot-pounds. Oh, there it is. God, that feels like too much. Okay, that's on. Let's get our shifter line back up. Oh, that one tooth off. Cannot stress enough. Paint. Mark that somehow. And it'll make your life so much easier. I have no idea what the torque value for this is. Good and tight. Good and tight. Well, based on that, it may not have really done anything for helping to find neutral, but at least it looks good. And that is kind of the important part. Anyways, this might be the first one I maybe recommend skipping unless you just have money to blow and want the engine bling, because I do think it looks pretty good on there. But functionally, I don't know, maybe if you're crashing a lot and don't want to risk bending your shift shaft, or maybe you're just really aggressive with your shifts and need the extra support, or I don't know, but yeah, that's the install. 3 bolts, real easy. It does look really good up there though. Like, it's just a different enough of a color to stand out. They do have it in a few other colors as well. That looks pretty sick. Nice. I now think it's worth it. Just rode around for a little bit and the shifts feel really solid. Like, there's almost no slop as you're going up and down. Neutral still sucks to find, but everything else feels so much better. So I now say buy it. Plus it looks cool. All right, bye y'all.